Yesterday I went off for a scavenge and I came across some good stuff. 3 pallets joined together by a huge piece of chipboard, and I ripped it all up because I wanted it all. And with the chipboard I didn't know what to do, but I knew it'll come in, so I brought it back to the garage, and then I instantly saw what it would be good for. The top of my workbench is once again knackered. When it comes to worktops, workbenches, things to work off, I am not precious. For me, it's not a thing of beauty, it's a completely utilitarian thing. It's there to help you make something. It's going to get knackered in the process, so therefore I make it all replaceable. My worktop on my workbench is the same. It's just MDF screwed down, and when it's gone beyond its useful life, unscrew it, stick something else down. Voila, new workbench once again. And that's what I'm going to do with the big chunks of chipboard that I got yesterday. This is the stuff, about 120 centimeters tall. Well, I had to cut it in half just to get it in the car. Weighs an absolute ton, and there's 2 pieces of it, and 2 of those pieces is going to go on top of that workbench. And honestly, there is a workbench underneath all that crap, so first thing first, I've got to clean the crap. So the first thing I've got to deal with is this vise. I love this vise. All vices great, but where it is, I'm just so short of space. That's the length for my arm basically, and if I have something in here and I'm cutting it, I'm smashing my elbow against there, and I can't really show you on the camera, but believe me, it's awkward, and it could be so much better. So I'm going to remove this from this bench, and I'm going to use it on something I have planned for over there. So it will be replaced. Can't work with that one. But for now, my boy, time for you to go. my workbench has gone from a slushy, muddy field to an Arctic landscape. Well, feast your eyes on that. And remember what it looks like, because it's not going to be looking like that for long, and that's for sure.
It's that clean.